In this lesson, I'll be showing you how to set up your survey tool so that you can get your account ready to start working and start making your money. Okay, so what we want to do specifically now is to add our bank details or our card details. Like I told you in the pitch video, you will be subscribing to 2 services for your survey account, and before you can do your subscription, you will have to add your payment details to Google Play Store. If you already know how to do this, that's great, but I'll still go ahead and show you how to do that in this video. So to add your card details to Google Play Store, I will demonstrate both for laptop and phone depending on the device that you're using for this. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is that you want to open your browser and make sure that you sign into your Gmail account. Make sure it's the Gmail account that you want to use for all your setup. Okay, so in case if you have more than one Gmail account, just make up your mind in using one. So this is my own Gmail account that I want to use for this video. So once you are here on your computer, the first thing you want to do is you want to come to this icon here. Okay, this is where all the Google apps are, so you're going to just click on it, and then you come to select this play icon here. So I'm going to click on that. All right, so once I'm here, the very first thing I want to do now is that I'll come to this my account icon here. As you can see my face here, and then I'm going to click on it, and then I will select payment and subscription and wait for it to load. All right, so as you can see here, it's saying add credit or debit card. Now if you come to this place subscription, it's going to show you if you've had any other subscription before. You can see here I had this subscription at the time, but I've removed it, so but don't worry about this for now. So come back to this payment method. All right, so you want to come here and click this add credit or debit card. All right, so it's going to ask you to fill in the details of your card, so I'm going to do that right now. All right, so once I do that, I'm going to click on save. All right, so as you can see now, my payment and subscription is now set, so we can go ahead to the next step of this video. Okay, but if you're mobile, what you want to do is that you want to come to your Play Store here. So you're going to tap on Play Store. All right, so once you get to your Play Store, once again, like I said, you must make sure that you are signed in with your Gmail account. I'm sure that should have been set up on your own phone. So once you get to your Play Store, you want to come to your icon here. As you can see mine, you're going to just tap on it. Okay, so once you tap on it, you're going to come to payments and subscription here. You're going to tap on that. Okay, once you tap on that, you're going to come to payment methods. Okay, so you can see here, add credit or debit card. You're going to just click on that. Okay, as you can see, all you need to do now is just to fill in your card, just like I showed you for the desktop mode. And once you're done, just click on save card, and then you are good to go. So watch this, make sure you get this done, and then get ready for the next lesson. Thank you.